Does anyone know what BDS stands for? BDS is Boycott Movement. Umar Barghouti is the one who launched BDS Movement to boycott any products that is supporting or assisting genocides, Israeli aggression, occupying the land of Palestine. The boycott movement has huge history, and today we are taking it very lightly. Charles Boycott was English businessman. He used to get work out of people and hardly give them any benefit. He used to make sure that everybody, they purchase from his shops, they get services from him. The people of his community, they decided that we're going to stop buying services from him, we will stop working for him, and silently they started that sort of activity. Because of his name, Charles Boycott, such activity is named boycott. When South Africa was going similar situation, what Palestine is going now, Nelson Mandela launched boycott campaign against those people who were trying to have apartheid state. Mahatma Gandhi, along with Islamic scholars and mashayikhin at that time, also launched this campaign that we will boycott English schools, we will boycott their services and their products. This boycott movement, many people, they are divided. They say that there is no point of doing boycott. Today, I want to spell out for you what in last 2 years boycott have done. Israel has suffered $400 billion losses because of boycott movement. In past 20 years, America has given Israel about 130 billion. But during these 2 years, Israel has already lost $400 billion. 62,000 companies have basically moved their offices out of Israel because of this movement. Now, many people will say that many of our families and this and that, they are employed by them. But if you look at Turkey, in Turkey, I think nearly 1,400 KFC outlets shut down, and they started new outlets. Same employees go job again. In Indonesia, Malaysia, 5,000 outlets were shut down, and then new branded started again. In many countries, we have seen this. So inshallah, the rizq is from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So number one thing, you need to carry on with this. And number two, assist people of Gaza as best as you can.